Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make grilled broccoli pancakes. These low-carb broccoli pancakes are packed with vitamin C, minerals, antioxidants, and therefore are a great healthy option for breakfast or evening snacks. So friends, let's get started with the making of grilled broccoli pancakes. So to make broccoli pancakes, you will need one medium broccoli cut into large florets like this. And now I will grate them using the broader section of the grater. You can do the same using a chopper also. And as I have said earlier, broccoli are a good source of vitamin C, minerals, antioxidants. And this broccoli pancakes turns out so yummy that even kids who are picky eaters like mine will enjoy them for sure. So in this way I will grate all the broccoli florets. And grating has been done, and now we need to make the batter for the pancake. Here I am adding 1/3 cup of refined flour. Then I have taken 2 eggs to which I will add a splash of milk and whisk it well. It's important to add eggs as they bind the pancake batter and makes them fluffy too. Now add this to the bowl. Then goes some green spring onions, a small bowl of grated cheddar cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now mix all the ingredients well. I'll now add a splash of milk to combine the ingredients and to make the batter smooth. But remember, we want a thick batter. And now our broccoli pancake batter is ready to be grilled. So to grill my pancakes, I am using here a pan with 4 grill cavities, ideal to make perfect grilled pancakes. Now grease some oil in the grill cavities with the help of a brush and place a spoonful of batter into the grill cavities. Keep the flame on low as they should be cooked well from within before turning brown from outside. healthy and yummy grilled broccoli pancakes. Also, do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more healthy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.